As you're walking out the door, it is a warm one. Temperatures way above average for this time of the year. Matter of fact, about 25 degrees above average. So you're probably wondering, how should I dress today? Well, this morning you probably get away with maybe even a t-shirt or a long sleeve, but later on this afternoon, don't let it fool you. You're going to need a jacket. It's going to be a lot cooler later this morning and into the afternoon. Matter of fact, I think we'll reach the upper 50s, so a big difference, and it is going to be windy. We'll see some wind gusts today, 30, 35 miles per hour, a little bit later this morning and into the early afternoon. All right, outside we do have just a little light fog. We've got cloud cover. Temperature 69. We were at 70 last hour. Normal is 44, way above average for this time of the year. Record low, my goodness. Can you imagine 20 degrees? 20 degrees on this date back in 1950. That's the record low. All right, looking at the radar, you don't see any rainfall nearby, nothing organized. There is some shower activity for some of our eastern counties. When it gets like this, I can't rule out a little patchy drizzle here and there. That's definitely a possibility, or definitely a sprinkle. We'll have to wait for the frontal boundary for a thin line of showers to move through. Front right now as we speak is south of Waco. I guess it'd be around Gatesville, Temple area back to the south and west, just now moving into Gillespie County, and it's moving fast down to the south. So it'll get here about the 8 o'clock hour, I think. There is a dense fog advisory across portions of the hill country. Counties in yellow, you've got some fog as well. Not quite an advisory, but definitely have fog. Might as well be a dense fog advisory for Medina County. Look at the visibility, 0 at Castroville, quarter-mile Hondo. If you're driving in on 90, just be careful. Just a real light fog here in Bexar County. You can see about 8 miles down the road. Stinson Airfield, you can see about 4 miles, and along 90 again. Look at that. The visibility's really dropped now down to about a quarter of a mile, half mile at Kerrville, also Fredericksburg with about a half mile visibility. And temperatures are just way above average for this time of the year. Fredericksburg's at 64, but that front is just about to move through Fredericksburg, and you're going to feel it. You'll drop into the 50s just like that. Temperature Dallas-Fort Worth 54. These are the temperatures, by the way. There is some cold air behind this front. Midland's at 39 right now. Oklahoma City's coming in at around 37. And notice the brown, that's really dry air behind this frontal boundary. All right, also looking for chances for rain. I just don't see much of a chance for rain. We're going to go way out to the end of the week. A pretty good disturbance develops. Look at this broad trough. And even though we have a broad trough like that with a lot of lift, I just don't think we're going to see much rainfall for the week along this frontal boundary. Early Saturday, maybe a shower then, and then behind the front turns much cooler over the weekend. I'll show you the 7-day here in just a second. So thin line of showers in the 8 o'clock hour as the front pushes through. Temperatures in the upper 50s, lower 60s for the rest of the morning into the afternoon, and temperatures really dropping this evening. Tomorrow morning we'll be down into the 40s. Hill country places will be in the 30s tomorrow morning. So temperatures drop later this morning into the afternoon. Tomorrow morning 44, high 71, and then a rapid warm up. I think we'll be close to 80 on Wednesday, mid 80s, believe it or not, for Thursday and Friday. That's what it looks like to me. And then a frontal boundary pushes through, much cooler and windy on Saturday and Sunday, low 42, high on Sunday, only at about 67. So a cool weekend coming up.